Hello children, hope all of you are doing well. We will continue with simple interest. Today we will do a bit new kind of problem where a person will deposit his savings or income in two different sectors. Okay, either maybe in bank or post office or first bank or second bank. कमाएको पैसालाई दुईटा जग्गामा के गर्छ हाल्छ अनि यहाँबाट पनि सिम्पल इन्ट्रेस्ट यहाँबाट पनि सिम्पल इन्ट्रेस्ट जुन चाहिँ आउँछ त्यसलाई टोटल इन्ट्रेस्ट भन्छ त्यो टोटल इन्ट्रेस्ट चाहिँ दिएको हुन्छ इन दिस क्वेशन दैट टोटल इन्ट्रेस्ट हैज बीन गिवन पहिला स्यामकोमा कति छ स्याम हैज 1 लाख रुपीस when he retired he got 1 lakh rupees and he deposited a part of it यसको एउटा हिस्सा बैंकमा राख्यो भन्दैछ जसको रेट 5% छ अनि अर्को हिस्सा उब्रेको हिस्सा चाहिँ पोस्ट अफिसमा राख्यो भन्दैछ कोही बेला पोस्ट अफिस अगाडि बैंक पछाडि पनि भनेको हुनु सक्छ अनि पोस्ट अफिसको रेट अफ इन्ट्रेस्ट देख्छ 6% अनि इन्ट्रेस्ट पर एनम भनेको 1 इयर अब टाइम देख्दैन भने टाइम वी हैव टु टेक इट एज 1 इयर ओके अनि टोटल इन्ट्रेस्ट देख्छ 5400 यहाँबाट र यहाँबाट आउँछ अनि हामीले खोज्नुपर्छ यहाँ र यहाँ कति कति डिपोजिट गर्छ okay so we will let that Sam deposits rupees X in the bank 1 लाख मा X rupees बैंक मा हाल्यो भने कति उब्रिन्छ 1 लाख minus X उब्रिन्छ this will be left over that will be deposited in the post office so bank को हुन्छ principal X rate of interest will be 5% time will be 1 from here we will get the simple interest formula you put okay then you cancel 5 ones are 5 5 20s are 100 so what is the simple interest you got from the bank X by 20 rupees पायो अब यहाँबाट we will find the simple interest you will earn from the post office okay so post office को लागि प्रिन्सिपल यो भयो rate is given 6% time per annum भनेको छ 1 year भयो it may be 2 years also in the next question we will get 2 years so SI को formula लगायो but don't forget to put this bracket okay because we have to multiply and then you cancel with 2 to 3 250 okay then 3 ones are 3 will multiply 1 lakh 3 lakhs time plus minus minus 3 into x 3x divided by 50 so this will be the simple interest Sam will earn from the post office अब यो दुईटालाई जोड्यो भने if I add these two then I will get the total interest okay so total interest will be this plus this okay then total interest has been given to us total interest is given to us how much from both 5400 is the total interest so from our calculation we got this plus this as total interest and according to the question the total interest is 5400 okay then these two we can solve okay 5x minus 6x gives us minus x plus 6 lakhs divided by 100 alright then we will cross multiply then 6 lakhs I will take that side 5,40,000 minus 6 lakhs gives me 60,000 minus minus will get cancelled because sign of the bigger number so the value of x is 60,000 that means Sam had deposited 60,000 rupees in the bank and 1 lakh minus 60 1 लाख मा 60,000 बैंक मा हाल्यो भने उब्रे 40,000 that in the post office भनेर लेख्नुपर्छ okay so this is the type of question we have similar question here Devika okay the total amount is 10,000 there are two banks first bank and second bank okay first bank को principal x माना second bank को 10,000 minus x हुन्छ like before rates have been given time has been given 2 years and the total interest has been given 1280 so similarly SI खोज्नु यहाँबाट PRT by 100 बाट SI खोज्नु similarly यहाँबाट SI खोज्नु okay first problem जस्तै then if you add these two we will get the total interest and according to the question the total interest is 1280 same like before then these two will get solved plus minus minus 7x minus 6x minus x sign of the bigger number then you cross multiply okay then 70,000 you bring this side 64,000 minus 70,000 gives you minus 6,000. Sign of the bigger number. Minus minus gets cancelled, so x is 6,000. Okay, so देविकाले x भनेको कुन चाहिँमा हालेको फर्स्ट ब्याङ्कमा x रुपिस हाल्यो भने सेकेन्ड ब्याङ्कमा कति हाल्छ x आयो 6,000. सो फर्स्ट ब्याङ्कमा 6,000 हाल्यो, सेकेन्ड ब्याङ्कमा कति उब्रियो 10,000 minus 6,000 4,000 उब्रिन्छ. सो फर्स्ट ब्याङ्कमा 6,000, सेकेन्ड ब्याङ्कमा 10,000 डिपोजिट गर्यो, सरी 4,000 deposit गर्यो. Okay, here is one similar problem. Okay, the total amount is 6 lakhs. He deposits that 6 lakhs in post office and bank. See, post office in the first place, bank in the second place. You have to keep it that way. Okay, when you let post office ko percent, bank ko percent, and time is given how much, total interest is given this much, and then time has been given how much. Amongst gratuity, he wants to deposit his money in the post office in the bank so that he would get rupees at the per year. So per year means time will be 1 year. Okay, and similarly like question number 1, you do it and get the answer. Post office ko 4 lakhs huncha, bank ko 2 lakhs.